Here we have a 200 series Land Cruiser GXL. This is an update shape, so 2010 onwards. This actual one I fitted is a 2019 model. Fitted in steel grey sheepskin acrylic with full sheepskin base skirts. So you get sheepskin on the face of the headrest, sheepskin on the face of the backrest. Top of the base is sheepskin, and being full fit side skirts, as you can see, sheepskin on the skirts of the base. So being an updated Land Cruiser GXL, height adjustments are still accessible on the driver's side. This one is fitted with a optional extra center console top, and being an updated Land Cruiser GXL, there's capping on the back of the seat, so seat covers are left open on the map pocket, plus airbag provision. All available options can be viewed on our website, and all available colours are on our website as well.